Foodies, Chef, welcome to Cooking with Foodie Gone Wild. I'm making, tonight's all about Mexican, so I'm doing like an enchilada, chicken enchilada sauce deal. Here's the side dish that I actually made for the enchiladas, because I just didn't want enchiladas by themselves. I got cherry tomatoes in here that I just tossed in to heat through, but this dish is pretty much done. It's roasted corn, roasted serrano peppers, onions, all cooked in like a bacon fat, salt, pepper, fresh diced cilantro, lime juice, and a little touch of mint. For some reason, it works on this. So, I played and said, what the hell? So that's going to be the side dish. Right now, it's just ready to go. We got our tomatillos that have been roasted. We have our jalapenos that I fire roasted, and we have our sautéed down onion and garlic. So we're going to toss those into the blender. We're going to get this green salsa verde or green enchilada sauce going. It also includes 2 cups of crushed tomatoes, as well as a cup and a half of chicken stock. And of course I'm throwing in some lime juice and a buttload of fresh cilantro, because I like the cilantro. My wife loves the cilantro, so who'd have thunk, right? So that's where we're going, and we'll get this process done. We'll come back with another video when we build the enchiladas themselves. All right, so let's process this. One camera action here, one hand. Carefully, carefully, carefully. It's an accident waiting to happen. I'll tell you right now. Let's see if I can turn this crap around. You should be able to see from there. Hi. Okay, so there we go. So tossing this around, dropping this right on in. Quick shout out to my sister Julie, Julie Lambert. I'm wearing the shirt you got me. Thank you, appreciate it. It's kind of my mentality anyway. So it's not drinking and knowing stuff, it's cooking and knowing stuff, so thank you. Alright, so this is going to get loud. Of course it will. And we'll get this processed first. Okay. Always got a taste. It's got heat to it already. It's got heat. It's good. So we're going to add the lime juice now. The lime will help cut the heat, so it doesn't melt your face off. A bit of stock. I'm going to go right to about there. And of course, some tomatoes. That to there. Oops. And our cilantro. We'll process this again. I'll taste it. Season it from there if I need to. Right now, it's got a nice heat to it, which I really enjoy. But not a lot of people in my family enjoy super hot heat, so I gotta. Okay. So here, clean up around here because I don't like a messy workspace. All right. That's good. Zest right there. Okay. Rinse the spoon out and try it again. Okay, that's good. little bit more salt. Okay. And we'll pulse that through again. Jesus Christ. What does it just say about being messy? Got on my pants. But you know it's live. So, it is what it is. It is what it is. Again. Okay, I'm happy with that. You can taste the tomatillo. You can taste the fire roasted jalapeno. Serrano comes in real well. If I didn't mention it before, I got some serrano peppers in there too. Yeah, this is a win. So I'll be back with another video to build it. Thank you.